Hi everyone, I ordered a watch from TEMU for $20, so let's see what I got. The watch is made of stainless steel. Alright, it looks fine for the price. The movement is quartz, and it looks like a chronograph. The strap looks like leather, and there are buttons for the chronograph, but I don't think they're functional. The blue hands are for hours and minutes, while the red one is for seconds. It has two subdials. The one on the right shows 24-hour time, while the one on the left doesn't seem to be functional. Let's check the dimensions. 44 mm with the crown. The bezel itself is about 41 mm. The strap is 22 mm wide. And the lug-to-lug distance is 55 mm. Let's try it on the wrist. My wrist is about 17 centimeters in circumference, and it fits okay. It doesn't feel as large as I thought, given the dimensions. At the 6 o'clock position, there's a date window. If you'd like to get a watch like this, I'll leave the link in the video description. All in all, for $20, it's a great watch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.